I'm Barb from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. I have my 12-foot kit here, and I want to show you another foot in this bundle.
I've never heard this one.
Yes, well, this one is a different one. It's not one you're going to use all the time. It is called a roller foot.
Get out.
So if you want to sew on suede or leather or something like that that just does not easily slide under your machine.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it thicker or what?
Well, it's just got a texture to it and just kind of sucks onto the foot, and you don't want to do that. So let me drop this foot off. Let's put this one on and show you how nicely that goes. Now, I'm going to sew in leather. We don't sew in leather very often, do we?
No.
But when we do, it's fun.
When we do, we're good.
Look at that. It just slides right along. Isn't that neat?
Wow.
Now I'm going to sew on the other side too, so you can see that it doesn't make any difference which side you are on. I've got brown thread. You can't even see that there.
Oh.
Oh, white on the bottom. That's good. I can see it. Because this is a rougher texture. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
Look at that go. It just goes right in. I don't have any issues at all. So if you have to sew on specifically suede or leather, this is the foot that you need to use because it is so wonderful. Just rolls right along.
That's cool.
It is. Thank you.